Careless one. Love you, that was a careless choice. Hear this, liberty come through carelessness. So no bother with the carelessness. Hear me, sir, more you hear me, miss. A carelessness cause this a crisis. Pay attention, observe your surroundings. Trying to keep myself afloat, but the carelessness keep me down. One long loving, you not care about that. Bills to pay, you not care about that. Food we buy, you not care about that. No hands in your milk and I drink out that. Plus I say you a bad man differently and get a slap with a wet panty.
Biggs, you know how to buy? Pastry man, I don't want to sell out there something, you know, schoolgirl that come and if they want to buy. Pastry man, me I guess out there as a rap bun, potato, put banana bread. Oh, say I'm the pastry.
Morning.
Good morning, sweetie.
You know, no cocoa bread?
No, babes, no cocoa bread. You still look nice this morning.
Thanks.
A nice girl like you from.
Why?
From I like you, my girl, I'm gonna want to be a man.
Good man, take it for granted. Good man, good man.
You know what I'm saying? I have a boyfriend, but in their prison.
So like in their prison, I want man up a yard to go and take care of place for you. I can't do that in a race like how my house like, you know.
How much is this?
$100, but you not have to pay me, you know. How many have to pay me, man?
Alright, you give me your number.
887757. Say quick, man.
Alright, me call there.
Richie, my name here.
Richie?
Yeah.
Alright then.
Call me, no baby.
Alright, yeah man.
Alright,
Take
babes.
care.
Yeah, man.
Yo, where you come from? Yo, Dan, you know me? Some boy a chat up their mouth in a two man just come in, you know. Some boy, you know what dopey man make a road.
Yo, full clip. You know what you done the same a murderer named Asa? I'm not going like my wickedest thing, so.
Yeah, bad man. Yeah, I do me something gay. Say a joke man I run, brother. Yeah, I run a joke for ya. Say a joke man I run because man there, brother. Yeah, deal man, sir.
Hey! Hey! Prodigal daughter! Me just cleanse the prodigal son. Where the prodigal daughter them? Hey! If you don't want to make more money, why don't you go on road and you come? Hey! 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 I'm going to heal some people today. I'm going to cut down this church.
Israel!
I'm going to... Hey! Somebody say Israel!
Israel!
Hey! Hey! Oh God, man! Oi! Welcome, me boy. Long time I know you. For me, when you come, me see your destruction. Cut and clear, I'm going to free you today.
Let me tell you straight up what they go on now.
Yes.
You know what, say, a long time me I push and sell cocoa bread and cheese and
I know that, sir. Remember the first time you come here and make your money?
Yeah, man, yeah, man. And that make me come back. I meet one girl in a park today. And she look like she have money. But the man there prison. And I want her to mind me. And that make me come to you.
You want her for yourself, or you want to kill the man in prison, or what you want?
You know what I say? Me have some friend in prison, so don't kill him, make him out of prison.
Make him stay in prison.
When the money done, make him come back when the money done.
So the girl have money?
Anything here, man, he help me in person now. I say, money in the man, yeah, money. I need to work too, you know.
Okay.
More I want for mine.
Yeah, what I going to do for you? I going to do a simple thing for you. And see, when I do the simple thing for you, not even pay me, because I don't want the money for you. When last time the woman go to bed?
And this morning I meet the woman, man.
This morning you meet the woman, and you want her already?
So now me come to you because you're the best.
Alright then, I need to know more. You see this here?
Yeah.
This is name Love. And this is name Hate. And here what you're going to do now? You're going to put the two of them together. Love or hate. You're going to bind them together. You're going to get love. Because love is stronger than hate. You get the point?
Babes, you know, so me I pray the big one now. Babes, I like it, I love you.
Can you let me know the cost of all the items?
Only $65,000.
Alright, no problem.
Okay, dear.
So, but you have no money. Give me your money now.
Rush, I want to make it one, so. I'm rent money, I'll get $1,000 out there. Come in bed now.
Now I go on the TV.
Just giving him. What about trumpet?
Rochelle.
Watch her. Watch there. Watch her. Watch there.
Check Maxine first before me touch her.
And this in here watch you, and this in here watch. Imagine me out there start tidy up your house and you in here watch TV when you know something I forgot work. What make you so lazy? You can't even help me do nothing in the house. So make you so careless.
So babes, you see how amount of work me do upon you last night?
2 minutes of the work.
So babes, where there look 2 hours?
If I even that, but 2 minutes is not work.
Tell us something, the man now spend 2 hours on a woman again.
That's the way you feel. Don't worry yourself, Richie. Don't worry yourself. If you don't do it, somebody else will. Here, don't worry yourself. Let go for me, man. Let go for me, man.
Bunny. Yes, Bunny, I rent me come for you know. I give you a chance already. I mean, I give no more chance now.
Come look at me house, man. You got everything, man, last night.
Boss, me no busy with that, you know. I rent me come for you know.
Yeah, wait till me have you now.
Yeah, Bunny, me no long talk, you know. Me don't call the police, you know.
Do what you want to do, you know.
Don't call the police, you know. I'll get the boy out of my place, you know.
Police! Hello? This is Corporal Worm Street Prison. Shortman, aka Dwarf, want you out of this place immediately. Understand that? Alright, step out. Alright, Daddy, just say nothing. You got no problem, you call me.
Yes, sir.
No, we deal with it. And short boy, we don't want to see you back in on the grill. If you get this, you hear that? You hear me, I say, boy? Oh. Try left out time on place. Then I'm afraid of police.
A 50 grand for your rent, you know, but as I you may give you for 20 through your blind. What you stepping on? Oh, say a bad man, me not throw you out already. Oh, no left. Stay till me come.
Wait! Oh, they kick me out! They kick me out!
And yo, now stay back in our place now. That me get pain.
Wait, mama! Mama, don't throw me out! Don't throw me out, mama! Wait! Wait!
Hey girl, I saw you early. Sit down over there, so I'm so ready for you.
Girl, me have some news to tell you.
So I'm one girl.
Girl, me win big bingo last night.
I lie.
Right now, me have them myself.
Show me girl right now. Yo! Girl, what a piece of luck you falling now.
So what you say, girl? Where you depend? Where you want to buy?
Girl, me don't want more than for that, but they look second hand.
No, girl, up a bunny me. Bingo me buy, girl. Bingo me get them. You say bingo me win them.
Babes, what I going? I mean to us now. I'm going to get a talk now.
May I come? Listen.
Well, babes, there's some money I look for you with some business, you know.
Hey, you know, so not going for morning though. Like, give me card, don't overdo it.
That me have a lover sign of the area.
Say, say.
Yeah, man. I'm not into something, you know, I have a lover, you know.
Alright.
One. Beyonce, how are you there? Girl, me run a Jazz boutique run a West End. Try hurry up and come. No eat no Richie him, girl. Yes, but he want to go shopping. So guess I'm not me, I go down him money. Hurry up and come, girl. Run a Jazz boutique run a West End. Hurry up, hurry up. Warm girl. There. Yeah. You alright? Yes, me feel so long. So girl, you not really like take up anything, girl. Can I have money? You pay for it. Take up anything you want to take up.
Me like that.
How was she?
I'm a friend. Where money then?
Card me house, baby, man. Card me house.
So, girl, you don't want nothing more?
Girl, me like that pink and blue hat there. As a beach cap that to match my swimsuit over here.
I true, you know. Yo, Richie, take them the hat there for me then.
But Richie, wear my hand full, put it on my head there. Tell me sis, what are you going to do for yourself?
Well, him say we are going to Sunrise Cafe go have lunch. So mum, where you say we are do? Send up them up on bike taxi?
No man, me I go home go change. Me say me out was me say I'll take them here from you and go change.
Heavy not true?
God almighty man, you put me you know.
Look.
Alright, so me go over as I see me yard close and change and me meet down
Alright. Can't go on the pan.
Alright, mama, later.
Alright, yeah. So Richie, come on, I'm hungry now. Cha!
Oh God. Was the money done?
Why mind where you say, why know your step?
Yo, why type of nice now? Too much nice now. If you be a ball boy, you want your mother. When you crush time, you don't say go want your mother. We don't know sad story in a prison, man. At 25 years, me had a man ball. Where the pan?
This is the list of what we're having today.
So be answer what you want, cause me I go take the fried chicken with orange juice.
Alright, mama.
Other way you want to bird, other way you want.
Want a grilled lobster?
The green lobster is done to order.
It's done to order?
Yes.
Oh man. Alright, me hungry but so me not go wait. Me I take fried chicken instead.
Okay, no problem.
And I prefer the breast and the wing. Okay, no problem. Thank you, man.
What you having today, sir?
Me a plate of rice and chicken there, give me a glass of water.
Water is served with every meal here, sir.
Alright, give me a $50 soda then.
We don't sell $50 soda here.
So, you know say like the plastic juice then?
No.
Alright, give me a nice sir then.
That completes your order?
Yeah man.
Okay. Food tastes good, yes, So Richie, alright.
Hello sir.
How do you?
Yeah, me go on to place to start out and then I'll be alright.
What Richie, you know say me and my friend there?
Me I go on like a friend of little baby. Can't give me fear, I can go home.
Well, you know easy. Me can't do that. Tell me and the girl come here and tell me make a girl go.
Come and deal with a nice man, you just go on and
Yeah, you deal me nice. Me thank you, but you know, me and my friend I can't do that. Man. Relax, man. Tomorrow me come check. Here's a bill, sir. Richie, alright?
yeah man, I'm good man. I'll be able to change this man. I'm to you, man.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? When I you see it, I don't know man. Right?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I worry about things all gone. I make it nice, man.
Excuse me, sir. Can I have a minute, please?
What's the problem?
I am afraid I'm going to need your ID.
You know what's the believe that I had?
Well, I am seeing Rosie Campbell on this.
Yeah man, I'm a wife man.
Mom, can you pay cash? Because it's saying
you know when I have cash problem. I use that all the while man.
well, I'm afraid it's not working, so I am going to have to call the manager.
Sir, give me a minute.
Yes sir.
If you can't manage to pay the bill, we'll have to call the security or you have to wash the dishes.
Anyway boss, they wash the plate them in a month. Follow the ladies them go up with them and carry them.
No. You have to wash the dishes or we'll have to call the police.
Me wash the dishes.
Yes, babes. Yeah, man, we talk later. Alright, cool.
Yes, we can make a call.
You not stay too long on the call?
No, mama make a call.
Alright, do it fast then.
Mama boy.
Bunny?
Yeah?
What Bunny?
You know, so you chew me up this morning.
So Bunny, what am I do for you, Bunny?
I come back home, man.
Bunny, you know so me can't take you back at this yard.
What am I going to do now, mama?
Bunny, you know so me can't take you back at this yard because you know so you only pitney them can't agree.
What am I going to do now, mama?
I want my phone.
What do you know, mama?
I want my phone.
Yeah, the bigger one moment now.
In my phone. You know easy. Alright, but the boy done my credit. Sure.
I hang myself, you know.
But the taxi takes so long to come, man. What happened to you, young man?
I saw one girl robbed me last night and landlord threw me out this morning. I don't know where to go, I'm going to hang myself.
No, how you fit do that? Why you want yourself? What is the name?
Bonnie Longwood Johnson.
What is your name?
Bonnie Longwood Johnson.
It's alright, don't worry yourself. I'm gonna help out here.
Ronnie!
Yeah.
Come here then. But there's something why you look for now. Why you look for something? Somebody help me look for it now? And I better job.
Rose, how are you this? Them a bullet ya. The girl them a use. Miss Rosie. Can't give it at me now.
Yeah man, you're welcome, Bunny. I like to help people, you know. My sister you really need help, so I just do what I have to do and help you, is it?
Yeah man, me rum done you know.
Yeah man, I want them to get some from it, you know.
What one, babes?
Hey, so what's up, babes?
You know what say boy doing pipe bust on the road there and I help you start out here, so me I say.
Next thing you go start catch cold expense upon me.
Why, you know me have to help her brother, you know, babe.
Use this and come up yourself, wipe off yourself. Thanks, Bunny.
How that? In my house.
Yo, what?
In my house.
Something. When last you contribute to a billionaire? Eh? Anyway, I'm a cousin. I'm a cousin from country.
So, a cousin from country when he am Bonnie, have to come stay with you in a house.
Yeah, because him come up here for help me, because you not help me with nothing. So me ask him to come up here, come help me. Anyway, him cook your favorite food around there now, in the kitchen. Curry chicken, mac and flour.
So come
get
and
something
eat
to eat
now.
now.
Come and eat now. What's about so nice one? Yeah man, what's about nice man? Come like, what's that about something around there somewhere? I know what? Shaman, are you this?
Yeah man.
Food smell good. Trust me. I eat wake me up man.
Yeah man, a chef what me do for years on man.
Sorry, Rosie there.
You what I do?
Yeah man, for real, what go on? Pliers. Yeah, me get the credit man, yeah, for real. Yeah, and the next thing them when you left, give me, you have to want to know what go on. Ask one and one boy now come back and tea for the cakes out them man. Yeah. That man wants to stay cool, you know. Man TV cakes out them and sell it to you, talk them down, so I keep not killing tonight, you know.
Shaman, food tastes good enough man. Rosie, one thing I tell you, you know. Cause you can cook, you see it. You see you know, me now where you left here, you know. I say you right now, and you run the place. Hey Rosie!
Oi!
I want 30 grand there, I must say a weekend and let's have a party, you know. I want the kickers. And some polo shirt and some because I want to look like a scammer them too. Remember your man for art.
But wait, you're not giving back my card.
Babes, you want to say you can't last, baby?
What you say? Me card, you see you lost me card? Imagine me give me card and you lost me card. with them. You know, see, you're too careless, though.
Anybody want to catch a 5 bills right now, come in. And then I try with no drum game, you know. I say, how much you have funny now, daddy?
5 bills, me a bit funny.
Yeah, man, long time.
I was belt, man.
Yeah, man, I see
man. Nothing now go on for me today. Yo, damn, the last game I played, daddy.
Alright. Say nothing, man. Next time, man. Next time you'll look, you see? I say a game going on. Let's be able to go on. You know, so we have to play one game, you know. You don't try a thing.
I don't really trust that game, I still, you know. But go on, but listen now.
Up one. In here, say you win, out to say you lost. You understand?
Yo, boss.
Gosh, baby. You want lucky, sir? You see, I try a thing, you know.
How much you try?
Any amount you can put, baby.
Alright, I'm going to start with the 5 bills, you know.
Alright, yeah, man. Yeah?
You know, sir?
Yeah. Hey, baby, how come you want to know, man? Yo.
Well, say inside with outside the last.
Yeah.
Why no? Watch the man, boy! Yo! Things are going for 500, man.
Right now. Broke me, man.
I know what I say. I'll double it here, man. Yo, 5 grand me I put on it. 5 grand me I put on it right now. 5 grand.
And you run things, man. Wow, I like I'm lucky there, catch back on my lows, yeah? Yo, you know some little machine around it, so you can't come in and go now, so I have some there. Oh, short man, where I see you now try again? I don't like nothing now go on, I'm going to change the spot and I'm going to go down the town, you know. So I go on.
Babes, you know somewhere else to go on?
No, so I'm not quite ready yet. I still want to go on also be.
Alright, may I go up here? Right. Come on.
Alright, I remember look for something nice for me here.
Alright.
Babes.
Yo, boss, where you get kids?
I want a man work for man.
Which man over there shall say
Him, no, man.
boss? Which man?
Where are they?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, officer.
We have for the law.
Like what, officer?
License non-registration.
You know what, officer? I left my phone, my purse at home. That's where my license is.
Left what? Anyway, you know, so I can prostitute you.
Yes, officer, I know you can prostitute me.
So, how you going to take yourself out of this now? What you can do for police?
Alright, officer. Let me give you a number.
Long time you say that. I can prostitute you, you know, at any time, you know.
So I can turn on my engine?
No, not until you give me the number. I know why you come clown me out neither, you know.
878.
Take out my BlackBerry, young girl. As you know, the law must prevail. Anyway, like how Brownie looks still, you know. What kind of number this? What kind of dial is number this? Take man for fool! Come out, tie car. Come out. Look like a my car this now. You have to go call the wrecker. Huh? Jesus, please. Baby, why you don't give me a number if you give me a number? Yeah, babe, sir.
Officer, I'm not telling you lies, I want a little misunderstanding.
Some farmer with mistake, don't go dial it. Let me check the number here, you know, because I don't know, man, I can't artist, you know. Where your phone there?
Yeah, right here.
Alright, get it now. Oh, alright then, baby, we link up later for a drink.
Alright, okay.
Yes, so I see you later. I hope when we call you, do your answer, you know. No bother with the foolishness.
No foolishness, true.
Alright, go on the road.
Alright, officer, thank you.
Yeah, man. Later. Yes, get a Browning number. Link up later. Hard day's work. Later.
Rosie, how trouble you, man?
Nobody no trouble me, bunny. And we whole place so clean and look nice.
Oh, think so about trouble here, no? Would I kill a boy for you, no? Me love you, Rosie. Me love you, Rosie.
You really mean that, bunny?
Yeah, man, I mean it, man.
Hey boy, buddy, you say that we don't go to do all call me out as all that do, man. Where you do, man? I wear the back of this man.
I try style, man. What kind of back we say I talk about?
Oh, bro,
The boy ain't even watch him out, you know.
Yo, Headless, are we there? One man around here, yeah, dog, you need to come see what going around here.
And who that?
A rich man.
Come on now.
Mavis, you can't put on the pot, you know, because money will come right now, you hear? Alright, put on the pot. Alright. Pity the blind. Pity the blind. Blind begging us something. Thank you, mommy. Blind begging us something. Pity the blind. Beg us something. Then sharp boy, what you read that try? You know something like thief don't boy. Yo, you mean I like thief now yo. Come here try work me honest brother and a boy try thief me.
So my friend, where your man there?
Headless guy in the city, what you worry about?
Can't do a body in the city.
Man, dead today.
My girl, hold on. Right now, watch. Hold on.
I really me yard come trouble me girl.
Jesus.
Hey boy, any ever come back on me yard, you're dead. You one jazz ranking pelican shit.
I don't know, man. I tell you something. I'm cool like me wash my face with the cake so up.
Cool like me wash my face, yo. Me drop a road, me go bro. You think cartel can bro like me? Yo, wash my face, yeah, man. Yo, officer. Remember say I saw fly up. I'm gonna play jet cream. Bombard, super bun me na me eye. Cool like me wash my face with the cake soap.
Yo, half a bombard cake soap you use then.
Yo, I'm my cake soap daddy. I'm tell you what, man. I'm a woman send me cake soap, come give me. Come interrupt man when man I wash them face and I get cool.
You miss me cake soap them now.
Yo, and a year cake soap, but yo, where you pan?
Look you, the look you tell me say you sell the cake soap now.
Yo, I'm a woman send me cake soap, come give me.
Say a bad man. Yo, I'm born you.
Yo, we really depend, dog. That more have to know, dog. We really depend. You see me, I wash my face and I try to get me on a boss. I come disturb me.
Hey,
yo,
hey, you know when they call me Ferris?
No.
You think I show man half?
I don't know, dog.
Dan.
Show you. Yo, boss.
You want to get bun up? You want to get bun up in yourself?
Yo, boy, police officer.
Boy.
Officer.
What a boy, man.
Yo, see your cake soap. See your cake
Yo, see next time. See next time I run for my cakes up.
Yo, officer.
Yo.
Police.
Me I want about football in here if you stop play football, man. Cause you do in your back.
I play for Chelsea, man.
You play for Chelsea and damage up yourself, so?
The boy, Collar, fly tackle me, man.
Fly tackle you? You want to see in your back, you hold in your back black and blue. This not even look like a football. You play and get big.
Cause boy, slide tackle me on the sideline, man. I jump on a mash yet. Rosie, tap now, man. Me go beard. Tap, me go beard. Somebody had to be back, man. You mad, man. Oh, man, but Rosie, you know, man.
What go beard now?
Oh. Rosie, no me, man.
What go beard?
Rosie. Come into a girl jam, I'm gonna yard, girl. Come, girl, we have to sit down.
You look happy, though, girl.
Girl, one piece of jam, I'm gonna yard today.
Hey! Tell me about it, y'all. What go on?
Girl, me catch headless with woman.
Jesus Christ. So we are doing it, girl.
Girl, they say girl jump 3 window. Not even Shelly and Fraser could catch her back. Girl, cut long story short, or someone me come for back.
Girl, me nah no money, you know. Me nah no money.
So girl, Ferris no left 700,000 give you.
Shh, idiot. That's why me not like tell you nothing, you know. Come me tell you something, I see I come tell me. Me tell you say me nah no money, my girl. I want me to you. This. Girl, me coulda make you sleep up here, you know. But Shaman don't control his set here already.
So me not can sleep with you and reach in her bed.
Girl, but I coulda fresh girl, but you know easy. As a girl, no girl, come go down your mother go build till tomorrow me find a man give you, girl. Come. And for me not so careless. 2 Tuesdays ago here say she ain't rich in her business. She not easy.
Hello, yes, good afternoon. Yes, Miss Campbell. Yes, Mr. Brown here from Unrest Cafe. Oh yes, yeah. We have a card down here with your name on it. Yes. We have a card down here with your name on it, and would like you to come down here and verify if it's belonging to you. And we have some video clippings of some persons trying to make a purchase from your card. Yes, Miss Cameron, we're located at West J's Uptown Mall. Okay, all right, thanks. All right, yeah.
Girl, you remember what day at the restaurant? What a boy full con disgrace about $50 soda.
So mama, you never see me and my foot a touch another day.
Me feel you. Me say when me see all them boy dress coming at people them restaurant.
Not even that. God know me didn't want to come up, but show me so hungry, me didn't want to leave food.
Girl, when I go home I have a piece of diarrhea.
Boy, Richie gonna take my money spent on GSES, Crystal. All the ugly shape bad looking girl Beyonce ain't gonna take my money spent pan.
Jesus Christ, me have to go see if we can get him back to carry back down there. The
God
food
know.
it tastes good though.
The food never yeah, the food did alright, it turn up. But God know me did embarrass and matter about this. You see me I touch your night table, missus.
Tell us.
You Miss Hasface Crystal, you may come to. We are Richina.
But I want to do this again. Whatsoever me and Richina, my girl, no concern you. What do you?
Oh, so you're a warlord. You're a warlord. Hold on. And mash me and mashing up.
You not to run.
Capital K.
No, she not to run.
Big box. You look here and I broke my name, broke your neck. You see, you look here, Beyonce. You see, you don't get jiggle up your body. You see, if you're Goku, you should have make your board catch me. Yo, you see, if you didn't make your board catch me, girl. Remember me tell you. Yo, me not wild Nina. You see, you know, a 3 days me are going to deliver. You see, if you never make it, ever pick me. I 1.5 days and I get a stiff dad.
Yeah, but 3 days give people to live. I hate me walk up here.
Yo, that girl I don't know.
Another girl, all you're doing is going to cash me gold. What?
All your wig, you're lucky.
You put a little dirty wig. We don't want that.
Mash me and mash them girl, you know. If me don't mash them up, me don't name Rosie, me and mash them up. You men, let me tell you, me don't kill them girl. 3 days me again. I'm tired of Richie. Richie was telling me something like, I'm Richie, me can't. Richie tell me can't spend out on woman them. Richie was tell me say, Farah's gone. I left over 700,000 like me Richie, me can't. What you want to tell me, say, I find me king kill me. God, me don't know what I'm going to tell me, say, no. Me done with Richie. Oh, me make sure, say, me done with Richie. Me don't know where I'm going to tell me, say, because no one can save me. Me done with it. It's a matter of fact.
Long time on a old gallus. I mean, and the girls them never 18, I'm all this. Rosie, you look some. What I mean, I tell her, say, I'm mad things on the ball field. I want to see your husband. But I'm not like you looking at me. Shape yourself, I 3 goals, my scores in the evening, you know. So my name never call. I say, baby, you want to see me on the ball field today? Score 3 goals and say you're Russian come. I want to you, baby. You know, look nice. Babes.
Hold this.
Go this one.
Press play. Soon come.
It wasn't me, you know, Rosie. It wasn't me. Babes, what a cool, you know. Can't do me some man, have to give me something for weird, man. What a cool bad.
You cannot go and go sleep with dog. You could even go sleep with dog.
Baby.
You try telling girl, say, 3 days. Remember me tell you that 3 days and them are dead. Watch.
Baby, let me back in.
Full clear. Go on. So a cut left me, I tell us if you wait for me.
Yo, I'm gonna run late, man.
Tell us some more get kicked like I used to, brother.
So the Columbia have to come in the gym.
Anyway, I want day thing that's still. Where we start from?
You're not gonna make it.
Give me something different, man. I tell us a person now. Give me something happy. Give me one of them me have to come, some man. I'm a good workout that full clip. Can I feel all the muscle them are coming in.
Players, a joke you argue. You don't even start sweat yet. But here, I have something easier for you.
Yeah.
If you do.
Before we go on that, go take a break. So I go and feel fire thing.
Yo, you know some liar get appeal. For the case. Yeah, man.
Say my boss off fight then.
And tomorrow court day. So I don't even know what will take place yet. So we have to just wait off and see what happens.
Say you're not going down there.
I mean. Right. Yeah, man. Yo, I tell you, a few things.
Bunny.
Man, I know.
What about this? Let me take out the Russia. What about the phone, Russia? Russia, what about the phone, Russia? What about the things let me take out the
Bunny, wake up.
Hey, Rosie. Hey, my girl. Yo, what kind of thing you do with my girl? Hey.
Give me this car for me money, me. I got station, you know, but I go make sure take out a restraining order against you, you know. You must stay as far as possible away from me. Watch.
Yeah, you see your money done. Go ahead.
Bunny, listen, get rid of that careless boy. And you a man a yard now. Here. Now I give you 20,000. Make sure you go shopping, buy things, nice things for yourself and things. And you see when I come in later, I want you to sort me out. Here. Later.
Rose, you see your clothes dirty up.
Watch ya, I go change it.
Look for money, man. Look for money. A long time old kill this boy if he left, you know, man.
Afternoon shot, man. What going?
Yeah, you know.
Yeah, look today.
It's on birthday, that's what me I look.
Come on, yeah, man.
Yeah, man, you know, so the boot can fit me, you know.
Because you could have fit a long time in a shot, man. It's one nice shirt.
Yeah, man.
Like the short, yeah?
No, man, you know, so I don't like the shorts. I want black pants for one.
Alright. Yeah, shot, man, are you this?
Okay.
You're a perfect fit, man.
Oh.
I get you shot, man.
Yeah, man.
So I'm see you now.
like that.
And now, back home, can we close them now?
Yeah.
How much you weigh?
9,500.
Keep the change, you know.
Thank you, shot man.
Hey, girl, Rochelle. Rochelle, more about my things, man. Rochelle. Rochelle, Rochelle, Rochelle. Rochelle, more about my things, man. Rochelle, Rochelle, more about my things.
Granta, I was going to free some soul today. Hey, hey, I going to free some soul today. Yes, my child. I see when you are coming, my child, but I was just busy preparing for this moment. What can I do for you now, my child?
Well, I want my friend him tell me say you're good enough, so I want to know if you're good.
Well, if them say me good enough, what them say work, you know?
My friend have one man, what
Yes.
she but I'm me and her and you out the man. So the
Yes.
man, woman come worry and say she give me 3 days to live and me not feel good. The stomach cannot feel right at all.
Yeah. The stomach not feel good.
And nothing not go on for me, can't hold no money, nothing not happen. Nothing.
Yeah, I'm saying she good for you then. And you want clear what she do?
Yes, for guess what? My hate me normally going but me not have the money to go hate it right now. I mean I have the time either because of 3 days she said she give me.
My child, yes, my child, are the right thing you do. You come at the right person at the right time.
You know the bath, because right now I need a bath.
Yes, my friend. I give bath. I'm my second day. Come here, my son. Alright, I have a problem like him. My friend want a bath. Go in the garden of Eden. Big tree, leaf of life, bring come. Okay, son. Crazy. Alright, my boy. Yes, my child. You know it going to cost you.
Father Israel, it no matter the price, me no care about the cost. All me want know say, me get a bath to go heal me, save me life.
Me have 3 leaf of life. You say your stomach can hurt you. This have to heal you. This have to turn back the blow. And this have to protect you. Yes, my child, you say you need a bath. But me no use showers. Me bathtub, my friend. Everything prepared. Don't worry yourself. Me know you did that will come. Me see you in my vision. And you dirty one them want conquer you. Hey! 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 Cut off clear! Hey! Cut off clear! Oh my God! Hey! Help! Help! Cut off clear! Go at destruction! Go at it! Go at evil! Hey! My friend! Leap of life! Oh! This one here? I have to turn back the blow! Hey! You see this one here? I have to heal your sickness! Hey! You see this one here? I have to guide you! Hey! I'll let you set you free! I'll set you free! Why? 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 Me say you're weak! You're weak so till! Hey! You see this one here? I have to strengthen you! Hey! Hey! I'm going to give her a bath now! Hey! Hey! Here's where! Free her! Hey! Hey! Here's where! Here's where! Hey! Hey! My friend, don't move! Stand up, my friend! My friend, stand up! Hey! He's well! He's well! Where? Come here, my friend. Oh God of my salvation. My friend, me are free, you know. Oh God of my salvation. Free me, friend. Free me, friend. For all harm and this destruction. Hey, 100,000. When you see me a roll a while ago, I did up me a roll out of you. Girl, make sure say, if you don't have me money to give me, we go and work the other way.
Man.
Wagwan boss, wagwan fire Ross.
Back again, man. Back here.
Just a come from, bruh. Why you see me look?
That me I wonder how you just up today.
Why don't make nobody hear, you know? Yeah, read a man now, you know? But look like go on for your body work, you know, the dopes.
I know, you know robbery again.
Man, them things are done with. Shit money they say. Read a man thing.
The world.
Yeah, man. Conquer the soul. I don't know me, or me stay already.
So me as still fresh from prison, you know.
So I go on.
So, you know I think, you know.
I want some money.
Yeah, me, man.
But you know what? I'm going to circle back to the because I guess what now? You see, when the money go into the coffin, it can't come out until 3 days' time. And it's the money I collect today, I tell loan me have now. And the money in the coffin already. So, I have to take me 3 days' time before I can free up the money. But you know to put out some money in your yard, man. Because when I say, when they go in man at prison, man, at the big robbery, go to prison pan, man.
True.
What happened to the money part of the robber and the money there?
Yo, man, I think I'll be a thing, man. Yo, I'm coming sure how I go on, man.
Yes,
I don't know, but that's supposed to know business, you know.
That's true.
Yeah, man, for real.
Yes,
yeah, man, I must have a thing there for true, man, I get some food, man.
Yeah.
But you know, I give me one for lock up. So everything is that good, man, but that's what I'm on the road and I'm just there, so I just come home and I really want to run go home.
Okay.
Gosh, you know something there.
Honestly, after 5 years, I didn't know you were coming back. I was so surprised when I saw you today.
You know, some must come back on the road, man. They can't hold on the fire, you know, man.
Boy, I miss you though.
Sure, I said so.
Happy that you're back.
When they play in the mirror, I rub down my face like that, I just feel like, I just take a man from the house, you know, and put it in it.
Boy, talking about her, man, trust me. I guess you wouldn't want to hear it from me anyway.
Yeah, man, listen, I hear from you.
So I think your friends will tell you because you know what? Remember, I'm a girl on the side, and trust me, if I tell you what is happening, you're going to feel like, you know what? You're just saying that because you want me. But trust me, she moved dangerously.
So what really take place? Does have to end up in prison?
You know, it's a carelessness though.
Yo, for your rest, you know, so we have to lick 2 pictures out of this.
Yeah, man, I have to lick 2 pictures, man.
Mad, man, we don't have time for that, you know.
I lick
Cut
2,
the
man.
cut. Ready for cut now?
Yeah, man, take 2 pictures, man. Yeah, go on.
Please fast, man. Yo, we don't have time for that still, no.
Janet, me care. Janet, me chop up on her.
Chop up.
Me heart.
Heart attack, Reginald. Yo, can I move out? You know for that, yeah? Yo, heart attack, we don't have time for this. Can I move? Ready? Oh, go move on up in the gate, man. When the thing leak out now, I mean them all on plan. I'm at the picture of them, you know. So you know, say him no get caught in the night, I just me alone. Get your whole fall and think. We know some man a gangster still. We're not squealing, you know.
Oh, you look drunk though, youth.
Man, we are doing something, you know. So I go on with you and for your man, cause before I left, you know, baby used to get, you know. The man up and now.
Yeah, talk about fire. Them days are done, man. You see me? I make up on my thing, you know, brother.
I hear running out now. You know, back in the day, I was just a DJ, man.
Yeah, no, for that, man. You are next round, man. I'm here, man.
Simone, see boy, them fellas are not going to drink. See
Not say
them.
nothing, man. Watch me anyway when we go in there. Watch me anyway when we go in there. Oh, yeah, Mr. Player. Go in there. Warm. I warm. You don't think you pretty want something to eat?
I love the excitement of Simone. Just relax, man.
You get paid on Friday evening in the rum bar, there. I warm. Yo, let me tell you something. You know how long the pin are getting on Friday? Yo, tell me, take it. yo, don't touch my youth. You know what? You know what I'm saying? Now let's my picnic. Look here. Hear me, man. Hear me. You see when you come on. Yo, you see when you come on my youth, you're close out the door, that Mr. Taylor. I don't want that to do. I don't want that to do. My youth. You know what? Come on now, my youth. Come on. Now let's go. Come on, my youth.
I don't think I go and see my man. Have a players been that? Between me and I feel pretty man.
You see the pitney man, I'm looking on the pitney brown and the two of them black. I must be a pitney.
Yeah man, I feel me, but you don't know things set, you know, jacket run things now.
My God.
What? The man just saying can't tell I have a jump high. Yo, this is
I know the man there crying.
This is a coffee I drink, trust me.
We can see right now.
Yo, feel part worse. Yo, you tell me if you watch it, yard.
Yeah, it's supposed to watch it.
But we couldn't manage it, trust me.
Why? Why you can't manage it?
Yo, Rosie that kill you, bun.
What are you telling me?
Where the front with CI? The front with CI?
Sit down now.
Baby.
Come on.
I'm part the cloud. Rosie, what's really going on here? You mean to tell me say I leave for those 5 little long short years and you have man in here? You know what I do to build this place, Rosie? What's going on? You need to talk to me now. You need to talk to I immediately.
A lie, babes, a lie. People lie, man. People too lie. People just too lie. What kind of man me for having in our house, babes? What kind of man me for having in our house? The union fire us. Kind of man me for having in your house, babes. Oh, me for do your things, babes. Remember your market before you left?
You see anything Jamaica people say? You see, if you no go so, you nearly go so.
Babes, me I tell you. But I never do that. You think me not love my life? And babes, just tell me not do that.
I don't go to yourself because I can't sit your lies and everything.
What kind of lie me I tell you, babes? Why me would I lie to you? You know me not lie to you. What am I to you? Why me would I lie to you?
You know say Mark no move. You no move too far.
What you mean no move too far? Me tell us me never did and do nothing while I left for you name fire us, you know.
Boy, I don't trust nobody, you know. But anyway, take your time, belly. That's tight, man. Too heavy. Come, we'll lump on the pillar. Belly no pillar, you know. Come on, man.
Alright.
Good one. Bongo puts the grass cat. Oh, I want to.
Babes. Babes, relax yourself now. I'm my cousin Bonnie. Bonnie, come here.
Stop! I'm born down in there. Hey, boy, Mr. Come out here. Hey, boy, wait.
Shouldn't mess a girl and mess up in the night. I'm hungry and I want to feel hunger for you. I'm a bigger girl, I could take back in her life and that now.
Rosie.
Yo, Fire say I have cut off my black.
What? Who?
Fire us.
Yo, I walk on Rosie.
That's something there on my phone, Dan.
You end up on your what?
My phone. Talks about and watching.
Oh.
Brian begging us something. Brian begging us something. Pity the blind. Thank you, big woman. You look good, you know. Okay.
Thief! 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 Somebody call the police! Help! Come back! Somebody call the police! Thief! 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 Somebody call the police!
You want one here, son? Me take you from here, son. Alright.
Yes.
Alright, me take you from here, son.
Police brutality! Why?
Hey, boy, get up! Get up! Get up! Boy, where are they? Boy, how are you do? Kick police! Oh, they're dead now! Wrong thing you do. You don't respect police. Boy, look at out that station. Get up! Hey, boy, get up! Boy, where you come from? Where your name?
Jeremian, sir.
Jeremian, sir? I don't teach you something today. Boy, here goes station. Yeah, bad man, look at my foot them. Run now, no. Run now, no. Oh, criminal station, where can you go? We are going to buy other station. You say you put up on this, sir? If you can lead down. Hey, boy, lead down here.
Headless. What happened? You just a kickback so they a drink out and me blend juice and the place no clean up, boy. You know wash up the plate them.
But guess what? Me deal with the pan to them first. Remember me wash pan to them first.
Get up go do it now. Yo, why you me a talk to? Get up go do it now. Come, go wash them. One him so. Oh, left that.
Baby, can't let this one.
Do this boy. Everyone.
That girl, man, can't take me style, man. One bun me and one use me. I will get them something here from, man. Go and deal with it. I rate her still, you know. Sure. See a girl, I can't take her style, you know, man. Sure.
Oi. Make sure you not throw no bleach by my jaws, you know. And that me I tell you. Look here, no give me no back chat. Oi, wash this too, you know. Wash it.
God almighty, you have to kill me.
I'm humble, you did I'm humble.
No. I tell you how much I love you, baby.
Go and talk off your face, you hear?
You're good, you know.
Sexy as fuck.
Yo, fire, that too close, you know. Man! Yo, what up on my end? Yo, bring in some rum, you know. Mad. So yo, you know smoke?
Nah, man.
But yo, if I can get some good weed to buy.
That's how up the road I can get you.
Yo, get a 5 days back, you come. Good weed, you know.
Come here, sir. You have anything for the government?
Government officer, what you talking about, man? Hold on, man. You're going to search, man. How you up to?
Yeah, go on, sir. Hey, easy yourself. What is that?
You see what?
Police. How will you get this from? You have permit for this?
Yes, officer.
Long time I want to sit like this, you know.
So if you do this?
Anyway, if you do this, I look, if I let you go, So bust a shot in your foot. Hey boy, run!
But officer, I can't run fast.
Run, hey boy.
Hey boy, Mr. Hey boy! Hey boy! Hey boy!
Government can't talk to me again. Me a real bad man police. I don't hear about. I'm spin up on finger. How you look, sir? Come on, fire bike. We have for the police.
Not at all, officer.
How you look like a scammer, sir? Huh?
What your name? Man ever clean. Have a scam for clean.
What you talk about? Why look like you have money? So you can do for help yourself. No, so this a bike and a license. I'm calling Reka. Let me see what you have.
I'll give you a little pocket still.
Little pocket, and you're a scammer. How you talk about? Yo, you don't even bother count it. You know what? Go on. I don't see back on the road there. Don't look back.
I love fire my girl. I want to get back in money for give me something because I can't take it from you.
Rose, you are going, girl. There. Good.
Yeah, man.
So, Rose, you're good, though.
If my man come back, I must go. I want to see you.
I don't want to say kind of big sitting still and something, you know, but they don't know, you know. Bartender, beg a cup now. Drink some around.
My man come back and I'm happy again. I want to see him, so I get rid of the stress.
So, I know you ain't like Rasta, no?
Whoa, I'm a good man, I'm happy.
Happy.
Yeah, I'm happy to you. Yeah, man, something. I walk on my phone, man. Shabam. Yo!
If I did have this, what you mean? Into the licky.
Not sure.
So, Rosie.
Lock up time. What you do here? You. Lock up time in a room.
No drink, officer, no.
You can't tell bad man not to drink.
Rosie, come here up and drink off the same. Here, police come and say lock up time. Come on, you're going.
Lady, come lock up the shop.
Go in.
Yes.
Bless him.
Meals, you know some have like bill and water bill for pay though. More help me pay.
You want me help you pay light and water? Rosie, where me I come from?
Yeah.
Rosie, where me I come from?
Babes, me know that, but me
Man
know
work at prison? Yo, come from here, man. Yo, by the way, how much days since me come here? Me drink water here? And burn light?
Babes, what members?
Members say what? Yo, look here the pan now. You have to wrong wood now, man. But by the way now, what about the 500,000 I gave before I got jail? Differently from the 200,000 I gave for yourself. Where the money there? Because since you want bills to pay, right? But I get a thing out of the 500,000 to pay the bill. Do I know me use it and your people them use it. You understand? But 1,500,000 we go in my account now. Can I just come back with the money now? We just come at 5 years to jail. You know see that? Or you don't realize that? 1,500,000. Talk to me.
Babes, me use that sort out myself.
No, Rosie, stop now. You use it by bleaching and diamond using and gold chain.
No bleach, babes. And my mother buy me that set here on the gold earring.
We say now bleach, and when me left, you black like the marina ya. I know you're brown and can't tell them. Come to you.
No bleach, babes.
You know what? I can't cut you now. Can realize say you want somebody kill you or something. But you might say before the weekend, transfer my 500,000, put back in my account.
Babes, don't forget them money.
You look like I'm a bun on the whole place.
Come forget
Rosie, you know why they call me Ferris? Me say you know why they call me Ferris? Yes or no? You know why they call me Ferris? You know why they call me Ferris though? Answer me now?
Yes.
Alright, so now you never talk no further then. So you understand. You know when I go up on the road there, okay? You can't hold for me fire, you know. I tell you right now, you can't hold for me fire. Things to do on the road.
Rosie, what am Rosie?
Money. Me I get 500,000 and I think give back Ferris money.
No.
Me need a plan, buddy.
I'm gonna poison him.
And I can't do that. I love him.
So you no love a life?
Yeah, but I can't do that.
If you not kill him, first I'll kill a fee money.
The little boy have running a belly. So what you want for that? No. Don't bring him to no doctor. Me tell you what to do. Yes, remember I'm the bush doctor, you know. And anything I say goes. Listen, you need to go to the jungle and get some guinea hen weed, yeah, and some noonie. Stop! I know where you come about. Spin your roll 3 times. Hey! Enter judgment yard. My God, have a seat. Young lady, your burden heavy. I'm going to try to help you, you know. You need help. You not follow instruction. Because you're so in love with the man. With cocoa bread man. You miss all of the instruction. Now the cocoa bread man gone because your money done. Your man come in a problem. Hey! He's well! Hey! Cut and clear! Hey! He's well! So what's your problem now?
Right now, the 2 girls them want me to tell someone for dead, I'll know them not dead.
Because you don't follow instruction. Because if you did follow instruction, those girls would have died. And when you come on to my work, you have to follow instruction. And if just to do that, you have to do that. And if Israel to do that, you have to do that. It won't work. Okay?
Anyway, I know that me come out. We have bigger problem than that right now.
What problem is that? That sounds dangerous.
The man when him fire us.
You mean the mad fire us?
How you know him?
Lord, I mean him Israel, I mean know everything. Yeah, so what's the problem about the fire us now? I need to know that.
Right now, me use off a whole lot of money and he want it back. I'm gonna have it for him. Somebody do something for me.
Girl, I can give you Hyla calm down and I can give you Hyla hold down. Which one you want? Hyla calm down? And even though I don't charge, you know, my friend, but you take my Hyla them, me have to charge for them. Hey! Me have to charge me Hyla them. Hey! Lord of mercy.
And this alone me have left. I'm going to do something for me. I'm want back in money and I don't know what to do.
Let me check this money because you don't really work for small money, you know. You don't have no money, girl. This correct now, this is a calm down money. You want him to calm down?
Yeah.
Because you can't hold me, you know. If you hold me, I can't collect it. I'm going to go and come collect it. You understand? So I'm not going to hold me none. I'm just give something to calm him down. And further on, if you want anything else to done, I will know what to do. This is for you. This is I'll calm him down. And I'm going to give you the instruction how to use it. You know, him sleep on the left side of the bed while you on the right. You see, on his pillow, make sure you use on the pillow. That means when him lay down on the pillow and him inhale it, it calm his spirit, it calm his nerves. So when his nerves and his spirit calm, you have all the control. Remember, and you want calm enough. So don't make the mistake and go for him pillow. Because the last time I give you instruction to get rid of 2 persons, I not call on them because they don't dead yet. And I don't want nobody come to me. Come on, me damn cutlass. Hey, I don't want you call me name. I don't want you call me name because I'm a serious science man. I'm not play. That's why I'm not leave my sword. You see the little short man named Bunny where you use and your mouth fire as money. And everything about that little boy in the short. What you like about him when me so tall. Be careful. Take your medicine and go on.
I forgot about my left the key.
Every day me take on the street. As my way me take on the street. That's every day me take. Remember the boy me tell you say, we short what there, me a reds. I him this just pass us, you know.
Money boy account, you know.
On that part. You so find out. You here.
On that part. Boy, son, you know, on that part.
Boy, pliers. Yeah. It's a lucky thing with the sharp man today, you know.
You met with deer.
I tell you.
Oh.
Look on the hot girl, man.
Oh, my hey friend.
Where you come from?
Don't say me down on the road, me and a friend.
Yeah, you down on the road with a friend, is that so? Go for your belt, you come boy.
I can't take something in me. Can't just easy this time, man.
I tough chat you give me boy, I say go for your belt.
Let's go, man. Let me something to work for you now. Alright, hey. You can't give a man a chance now. You go on, son.
You say me go for your belt, boy, like you want me go for myself, don't.
Can't give a man a chance, man.
Go for your belt, come give me myself.
Can't give a man a chance. I like them vibes that tell you now.
Give me belt. Hold on, me send you, T. Let me send you. You have to go. Watch out. Hold on, watch out. Hey, boy. Me not send you, T. What you did there, boy? Send out the little dirty boy from when you go buy the same thing and you put it in our watch and you just come back, eh? Just a blast it come back.
Man can't take them life, man.
Yo, Rosie, I'm not gonna blow do yo, what I'm doing? I'm burning your house doing your cup in the front door, man. I go on the front.
So what the Ferris are going so? What Ferris are going so far?
I take something for me to do, man.
Come here.
You get the money today? Rosie, you get the money? There's something to smile about. Why smile after this? Eat where I eat. But you know, I'm a jinx there. That's why I enter you have your jinx.
Hear this, liberty come through carelessness. So no bother with the carelessness. Hear me, sir, want you hear me, miss. A carelessness cause this a crisis. Pay attention.
Jinx tastes good though. Rosie, what is that? What is this?
Coke, babes.
Say get Rasta coke for drink.
A coke juice, babes. Don't it taste good?